KIOXIA CM6 series PCIe 4.0 Enterprise NVMe SSDs are the next generation of high-performance NVMe Express drives for the data center. They offer capacities up to 30.72 terabytes and are qualified for use on all Dell PowerEdge server models. For this best practices reference architecture, AMD processor-based PowerEdge R7525 servers are used. Each server comes with two EPYC 7552 48-core processors, four 7.68 TB KIOXIA CM6 series NVMe SSDs, 256 GB of DRAM, and 100 Gb network connectivity. The clustered configuration consists of three PowerEdge R7525 systems. High availability and disaster recovery services are turned off for the purpose of this testing. Each server has two VM kernel ports, one for management, vMotion, and provisioning, and the other is dedicated to vSAN traffic. Each of the four 7.68 TB SSDs is split into 8 NVMe namespaces, one 600 GB namespace for vSAN caching, and 7 925 GB namespaces for data storage. Replicated across 4 drives in a server, this provides 32 drives for a vSAN data store to utilize while using only 4 physical SSDs. This approach makes highly efficient use of the storage capacity from each SSD. Replicating this configuration across a 3-node cluster, performance of 96 drives is realized rather than the 12 physical drives. Here, the vSAN data store is configured with 4 disk groups. Each group is a single physical drive with 1 namespace for a cache drive and 7 namespaces as data stores. This allows the destaging of cache from data inside the SSD. The data store has been created with 75 terabytes of usable storage. The standard VMware test tool, HCI Bench, is used to measure storage performance for 100% writes, 100% reads, 70-30 mixed, and 50-50 mixed workloads. These results are compared using NVMe namespaces, providing performance gains with the same physical SSDs without the use of namespaces. The 100% writes test simulates large data uploads or VM creation with large blocks of 256K. The IOPS performance with NVMe namespaces is over 15,000 IOPS, which is nearly 8 times the performance than without using namespaces. The 100% read scenario has many real-world applications, including analytics. KIOXIA CM6 SSDs delivered 896,000 IOPS. This is almost 4 times the performance than without using NVMe namespaces. The most common virtual machine workload for enterprise data centers, emulating a true mixed VM environment, is the small block 70-30 read-write workload with a large cluster of diverse VMs. CM6 drives with namespaces demonstrated over 480,000 IOPS. This is about 5 times the IOPS performance than without using NVMe namespaces. The 50-50 read-write AK block size workload is common to a database environment. The namespace configuration drove over 421,000 IOPS. This is more than 10 times the performance improvement compared to the test run without namespaces. Check out KIOXIA's full line of SSD solutions for Dell PowerEdge servers at kioxia.com/Dell.